diagnostic for thoracic extension and rotation, which is needed in order to get the arm up overhead. You know, there's been a lot of talk and a lot of good talk, I think, about improving the mobility of thoracic extension and rotation, whether or not it's, you know, whether or not it's using a foam roll, extension over a foam roll, double across balls. I think those are fantastic. However, I think it's only one piece of the pie in that those are really only addressing the mobility, the actual ability of those joints to extend up and rotate around each other. Very much important, but once we've improved that, we also have to improve the rotation and the active control of those patterns. So not only from a joint standpoint, but also from a muscular standpoint. Okay? So one thing that we can look at is, if we go into quadruped, right, which quadruped now in full hip flexion locks out the lumbar spine, so we can really look at the segmental control of the thoracic spine. So if we go into quadruped and then heel sit here, forearms on the ground, you can go arm behind your head, and I want you to look at your elbow and rotate all the way up as high as you can. You see I'm pretty limited here. This should easily get up to the ceiling. Now, if we look at the other side here, you can see I got a little bit more motion there. So that tells us that, you know, if someone's having trouble getting up overhead, one of the issues may be not only just that mobility, but also that control of that mobility and the ability to actively control that motion. Okay? So one thing you can look at is quadruped and lock out the lumbar spine.